Well, g'day, Andrew Daddo here, and looking forward to seeing you for the Littlescribe Mini-Writing Festival, which begins on the 26th of July. I just heard my old primary school, Mount Eliza Primary, are going to be part of it. So I can't wait to see you. But there's schools from all over the country. In New South Wales, from Mullion to Manly Village, which is down the road here, McGregor State in Brisbane, all the way up north. You've got the Essington International School, that's in Darwin. Then also in Victoria, Diamond Creek, Scotch College are going to be part of it. Used to play football against you. Go D's. Spread Primary. A shout out in Tassie to Honeywood Primary, and in Western Australia, Waggon District. And then South Australia's Raynella are doing a writing comp at the back end of the festival. So I can't wait to read your stories. Look, in case you haven't heard about it, we would love you to be part of the Littlescribe Mini-Writers Festival. Some of Australia's best authors sharing their writing secrets. We'll see you then, end of July.